1963 Nova. This one does have lots of upgrades with it. Full PPG paint, custom two-tone. Omega custom gauges all throughout, tach, speedometer, oil, fuel, temp, and volt. Those all are functioning as they should. Wipers do work. Yeah, we got a horn. Might not be super loud, but we got a horn. Also, this does have vintage air. It has actually just been put in, blowing fully cold. Custom tunes radio is fully functioning. Also, it's got your speakers down here in the kick panels. And it's also got your B&M Quicksilver transmission shifter. One feature that this has that is actually new that I haven't seen on a lot of these semi-resto mods is that this actually has electric power steering. So with the electric power steering, it's not taking anything from the drive belt system. And the reason is there's just not a lot of room in this engine compartment to be able to house everything and still run kind of your serpentine system. So without taking from engine horsepower, it's actually been converted over to electric power steering. Very responsive, and you can also tune for when you're going faster or kind of a road course, or if you're in a parking lot. Thing rides out absolutely great. Quick acceleration, great braking, and still has cold AC. As much as I'd love to drift around this corner, just not going to do it.